everyone, it is Mona here at Craft Klatch. If you remember the other week, my granddaughter Reagan was on and she did some fish artwork, and she was gone when the resin had cured, so you guys didn't get to see her with the final fish, and I had some people asking about that. So this past weekend we had the opportunity to go hang the fish, and she wanted to show you how she did it.
Hi, this is Reagan. I'm here to show you how to hang my fish. I have these two sticky pieces. You put the two pieces together, and then you twist them. Like this. Now you take your fish, take one part off of the sticky piece. And you stick it on here. And you press it down. And then you take the other part off. And now you just press it against the wall. Now my fish is hanging on the wall. Hope you like it.
I hope you guys enjoyed Reagan's presentation on how to hang her fish, and I hope you guys give it a try. And I have the links to the little adhesive hangers down in the description below, so you can find them if you're looking for them. But it's a great way to hang stuff, and it doesn't have to be permanent, and it doesn't have to bang up your wall. So if you ever wanted to change it or maybe move it to a different location, you can always have that option without now having a permanent hole in the wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed Reagan, and I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys. Okay, say hope you like it.
Hope you like it.
Louder.
Hope you like it.
Okay, but say it friendlier.
Hope you like it.
Okay, say it looking here and smiling.
Hope you like it.
No. No, do it again. No, go do it again. Silly. Okay.
Hope you like it.
No, say it normal.
I want to do it that way.
Okay, I have that twice. Now do one normal.
Hope you like it.
No, do it normal, because I have 3 of those now. I'll put them in, but you gotta do one normal. No, smile and normal, your normal voice.
Hope you like it.
You can say bye any way you want.
Bye.